I'm gonna try to fix the 2011 15-inch model of MacBook Pro A1286 today by bypassing the AMD graphic chip on it. I used to do it by using DOS Dude 1 program and the license key for $20. And I did a little research and I found a file on a Russian notebook repair forum, and it's a free file made by Mr. Long. So I'm gonna try to use that file today and see if it's gonna work. So maybe it can be fixed free of charge. I mean, you will still have to have a programmer, but let's try. Let's see what's gonna happen, and if it will be successful, I will add all the links to the bottom of this video so you can get it done too. So let's go ahead, and right now I'm just showing you that this MacBook has bad graphic chip. It boots to the white screen and then it actually restarts after a couple of seconds. So there are a couple different ways you can tell that the graphic chip is bad. Sometimes it's just actually, just does not boot at all, and just a black screen. Sometimes you can see lines, all color. Usually it's pinkish lines, so this is known to have bad graphic chips, this model. So that's the proper way to do it, is actually to bypass the gMux. So actually it restarted now. So that's I'm not sure if you can see the light here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try to get it done with that file. It's actually the first time I didn't try it, so we're gonna try it together. Alright, I'm gonna get my soldering station going. And this is the way to solder actually. So this is the programmer. second, third, and goes fourth, number 4, number 6, wire number 6, and wire number 5. Okay, that's soldered. Okay. So once again, starting from the back of the computer, so you see what I'm talking about. Let me move it down a bit. So from the back of the computer, it goes wire number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 6, number 5. So let's see. Let's see, what do we have here? So once again, this is the programmer you will need, the Lattice programmer, and you will need the Lattice Diamond programmer software. Okay. Come on. Okay, so we can concentrate on our latest programmer software. So we're gonna choose the file name here. The file we're trying to load. It's a desktop. So I'm gonna start from scratch, so you see what I'm doing exactly. So I open up the Diamond Programmer, and this is basically default settings here. Click OK. Let's do its thing, and we have to turn on the MacBook so it's on. And here the file name, you're gonna choose the file name. That's the file. I got it from that forum. So Mr. Long. So okay, we got it. We got it here, and let's see. We're just gonna hit program. Bell button says program. Okay, device. Let's choose a different one. Yep. Okay. So let me see what's happening now. Actually, I think it went through. It went black. So let's turn it off, turn it back on, and see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna connect. Okay. Let's see. So let's see what's happening now. Let's see if it's gonna boot. I mean, it should. It did act exactly the same way if you do the DOS dude one flash. So the screen just turns black. So now they're good to go. I think we are actually good to go. So that was the free file. So all you need is the Lattice programmer and the file. And basically, I'm not sure, I did not try it. So this is the first time actually I tried that file. So and this is 2011 15-inch model. I'm not sure about 17-inch model. I read on that forum that some people had a blue tint on it, so I don't know if it's gonna work on 17-inch model, but it definitely works on 15-inch model. So once again, let me double check here the graphic chip information and see if it's, yep, it's gone. So there is no AMD graphic chip at all. It's not detected. So the fix, actually, I bet the fix did work. I mean, the brightness is not gonna work. That is pretty known. That is standard. The brightness does not work. So we have to use the brightness slider app from the App Store. And but I think we're good to go. And this is actually 1680 by 1050 LCD. So once again, all credit goes to Mr. Lon. This is a Russian dude, Mr. Lon from Moscow. That's the file I used. They used his file. So all credit goes to Mr. Lon. And I'm gonna attach the file and attach the link to the Diamond programmer and to the Diamond software for the programmer, and we're good to go. It's awesome. It works. Yeah.